In video editing, we hear a lot about masks. Mask, inverted mask, clipping masks, etc. But what are they? What do they do and how can I use them? Well, let's talk about that. What is a mask, you say? Well, let's put a rectangle on the screen real quick. We'll do it from the start of the scene, and we'll add a new layer, and we'll click OK. Then we'll go ahead and draw our rectangle. Our rectangle right now is black. I'm going to change this to white for a minute. So we're going to pretend that, just for right now, we're going to pretend that when we painted this rectangle, it was already white. We're going to come down to the rectangle, click on properties, and we come down here to where it says color, and we're going to paint it black. Just being technical, yeah. I just had to do it like that to show you if it was any other color, then you'd want to change it to black in order to make it a mask. And that's not necessarily 100% true either, but for what we're demonstrating right here, we would want to make it black. So now that we've made our rectangle, our mask, we've made it black, what we want to do is come over here to where it says blend, and we're gonna come up to here, and we're gonna see right here where it says mask, we're gonna left click on mask. And what happened is wherever our mask covers is transparent. So what that also means is that if I took something else and I brought it in and put underneath it there, right underneath of my mask, it would be transparent also. I'm going to put Cleo in here and put her right there. Now what you see is my mask cut through everything. It cut through it cut through Cleo, and it cut through the canvas. Everything is transparent. If I put something else in there, it would do the same thing. Let me move this over a little bit so you can see. So Cleo is underneath of the rectangle, and the canvas is underneath the Cleo. Our mask cuts through everything. Now, let's see what the inverted mask does. Our inverted mask, we see what, like I said, we see what happened with the mask, how it cut through Cleo and the canvas also. When we hit inverted mask, everything the mask covers is visible. Well, you say it's visible, but you can't see it, right? Okay, well, the only thing there is to see is Cleo and the canvas, right? So if I move Cleo, notice I didn't say if I move the mask. What I need to do is move Cleo out of the way. So if I move Cleo, let me lock my mask and select Cleo. Move Cleo out the way. You see that my canvas is visible. I move Cleo back up there. But you see also when I brought Cleo down here inside of the area this outside of the mask, she disappeared. So let me put it back.